Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Excel tutorial 4. In this video, I'll talk about difference between functions and formula in Excel. So I'll take you through a few functions as well as how to apply formula. So let's get into the practical stuff then. So I'll cover these functions and then apply some formula, how to write a formula. So basic difference between functions and formula is functions are predefined, it is already written, whereas formula you will apply, you will write it, right? So I'll showcase how you can write formula and functions. Functions we have already applied in a very simple functions like sum, average, count in my previous video. But today I'll take you through formulas as well. So first start with these functions, very common functions like maximum, minimum and round and so on. So let's apply maximum. So I'll write equal to max. So this is my function. I'll have to pass range and it will return maximum number from that given range. Even I can select two values and get maximum between these two values like 12 comma 18. So in the entire range 242 is largest value, whereas between these two number 18 is largest value, the greater value. Now if I apply min, it will return you the minimum values. So I'll pass the range, then hit enter. So 6 is the least number. If I apply between these two number min, so it will return 12, right? So that's how minimum works. A round is also an important function. It rounds value. First parameter is the number which you want to round, so you can pass range. Second parameter is number digit, that is a significance. So if you pass 0, so it will be rounding off the number whole number. If you pass 1 2 3, that is the decimal places you want to round off. So I'll pass 0. I want to round off the whole number. So like 9.5 will be converted to 10 and 4.55 because I'm giving 0 significance. So now you can see, so 7.3 is 7, 8.4 is 8, whereas 9.5 is 10, 4.5 is 5. Similarly here, anything above 0.4 is taken into the next whole number, 15, whereas 17.5 is 18. So that's how you can apply. Let's talk about modulus, which we call mod. So mod returns the remainder. That means if I divide this number, that then this is the number I passed b2, and divisor is 3, so remainder will be 0 because 6 is properly divisible by 3. But if I drag it here, you will find some remainder. Like here, same goes to, if I change this number, say for example 5, so 2 will be remainder, right? Because 3 1 is 3 and 2 is remainder, right? That's how it gives you remainder. So we use mod. After mod, I'll write square root. So in order to write square root for function, so we'll write SQRT and pass this. So for 5 square root is 2.0, and now you can drag it here. You can clearly see 36, right? So 6 6 the 36. So if I here put 9, so you will get 3, right? So that's how square root works. It returns the square root of a given number. After that, there is one important function is called ABS, that is absolute value. It gives you only positive value, right? Irrespective of sign of the number. So suppose I'll pass, let me drag it further and I'll pass minus 50. It will give you only plus 50. So it works, it is applied somewhere wherein you want only the positive number. After that, I'll write down some formula here. So functions, I have already taken you through these functions, which is already written, predefined. But now if I want to add two number without putting the function, so how can I do? So I can write my own formula like this: number one, e1 plus e1, 3, a2 plus b2, and then enter, and then I'll drag. So you can see these number are added, right? Similarly, If I want to subtract number from first number to second number, b2 minus a2. So now you can see, and here negative value because minus 50 minus 9 minus 59, right? After that, multiply. So I can multiply these two number 1 into number 2, right? So you can get the desired result. After that, here negative value, so you can see the difference. If I want to divide these two number from number 2 divided by number 1, so I can divide that b2 divided by a2, so you'll get the answer. If I drag it here, so you can get that. There is one more formula I can write, like exponential. So I want the exponential of these number, like b2, that is 5 to power, this is exponential sign, 2, that means 25, right? So 9 9 ja 81, and then you can get 18 18 ja 324, and so on. So that's how you can apply these formulas as well. So I'll keep this video till this point. In next video, I'll take you through other functions as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.